Facebook, YouTube. Hi everybody, Ryan here, AO Cleaning. We're back at it again. We got a total of 3 areas today for a repeat client that we did her floors last week. We did a clean and buff on our engineered hardwoods. Now we're back to clean our carpet. And then in 2 weeks, we're gonna do our HVAC system. We're gonna do all the duct work, cleaning, and dryer vent cleaning. So she just bought this house. You can see it's a beautiful home. And she hired us to take care of her carpets, her duct work, and vent cleaning, and her hardwood. So real quick, guys, I'll make this real quick. Again, my name is Ryan. I'm the owner and founder of AO Cleaning. We've been doing this for about 20 years. For those who are just tuning in, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell. We'll have a lot of valuable content that we give away for free to help protect your flooring and also your duct work. So we believe that if you take care of your floors by getting it cleaned, maintained, and restored, that will prevent you from having to replace it. So we give a lot of free content away, guys, no obligation, just to help add value to you and protect your homes. So again, if you haven't yet, also follow us on Facebook, AO Cleaning Carpet Care and Restoration, right there, as you can see. And again, we give a lot of videos, pictures, testimonials, and reviews to help educate you guys to make great decisions. So, and those you don't know, we are located in Columbia, Illinois, and we do service a 32-mile radius of Columbia. We're right by the JB Bridge. We do service St. Louis, South County, also Monroe County, Madison, St. Clair, the whole 9. So if you haven't used the service yet, reach out to us. And if you're not local, still can subscribe and like our information, because this still will add value to you and to help you make good decisions on your home. All right, guys, without further ado, let's get started. Let's get it. All right, guys, getting ready to pre-treat their movie theater room. Pretty nice. And we already did that laminate over there last week, as you remember, another video. It's gonna look great. Nice screen. This is a preconditioner to suspend the soil load. That way we can effectively and safely remove the soil and extract it and steam it out. All right, guys, stay tuned. Agitating fiber yarns now. Let's see. Absolutely beautiful. A lot of you guys ask also how long it should take to dry. Normally, under normal conditions, it takes anywhere from 4 to 12 hours. That does depend on the humidity, temperature, and density of your carpet. However, if you get any kind of treatment, like you reapply your factory protector, or you get urine treatment, it will take longer to dry. This little tip of the day, guys. This carpet's responding very well. It's cheaper to clean it than it is to replace it. The secret, again, is to maintain it. And a lot of times, to keep your warranty valid, it does require you to get it cleaned every 12 to 18 months. You can confirm that on the terms and conditions whenever you buy new carpet. Another fun fact for you guys, it has to be by a certified professional like ourselves, which is IICRC. If you do it yourself, you do void your warranty. So all the rug doctors out there, you're gonna void it. Unless it's a rental or you just don't mind. But that is what they ask for if you ever have a claim, proof and receipt of somebody that This is certified. The reason why is we actually go to school and learn the different formulas and chemistry standards with the carpet mill and the government, and they created a cleaning standard, and that's what we use. That's what we go by. It's called TACT. Time, temperature, chemistry, and dwell time. Actually, time, our temperature, agitation, chemistry, and dwell time. Kind of like washing your hair, guys. You got to put the product in, agitate it, let it dwell, and then rinse it. This is kind of the same process, same principle, except you're dealing with synthetics and sometimes natural fiber yarns. And anymore, it's a hybrid because of the hybrid yarns to make things more resistant to spills and stains. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Finishing up the bedrooms now. Responding very well. Steaming it out. Got steam. It also sanitizes the yarns too. All right, guys, I'm gonna finish up the other bedroom, and that should do it. And then I'm on to my next estimate. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks for your support. And as always, anything on my end, give AO a call. Thanks for watching. Let's see the testimonial. Door's strong. All right, what do you think?
They look good. They look very, very good.
Night and day. You see down? Do you see downstairs yet?
No, I haven't been down there yet.
Okay.
But yeah.
1 through 10. You get it to 10.
Oh, of course I would.
Perfect.
Was there a lot of junk?